Hello, we consider the next question of analysis and approaches, standard level, November 2025 paper. Question number 3, it is paper 1, so that's why we don't need to use calculator. And question number 3, 5 marks for topic of arithmetic sequence. Now, let's have a read. The seventh term of arithmetic sequence is 6, so let's straightforward write next thing. We use 7 is equal to 6. The sum of 6 terms and the 12th term is equal to 24. Find the first term and common difference. Okay, pretty standard question. And from the formula booklet, we can find the formula for general term plus n minus 1 d. Okay, and now let's use this formula for the first row first. U7. U7 is equal to U1 plus 6d is equal to 6, right? So we used this information to obtain the equation. Actually, the equation itself is here, right? So one equation with two unknowns. And now using the second row, we can use again the formula of general term. U1 plus 5d is U6, right? It is U6 plus U1 plus 11d. It is U12 is equal to 24. And now if we will simplify the second row, we will get 2uy plus 16d is equal to 24. This is our second equation. So we have two equations with two unknowns. It means that we should solve the simultaneous equations. It's better to spell simultaneous equations. 2u1 plus 16d equals to 24, yeah. And let's divide the second equation by 2. So it is u1 plus 8d is equal to 12. And now let's subtract. So minus 2d is equal to negative 6. d is equal to 3. Okay. And now use this formula, this d, in any equation. Let's say in the first equation. So yeah, instead of d, this one, d is 3, right? So d is 3. So u1 plus 6 times 3 is equal to 6. So u1 is equal to 6 minus 18, which is negative 12. So u1 is equal to negative 12 and d is equal to 3. This is the answer of this question. Hope this video was clear for you. Pretty standard question about the sequences and series. All the formulas in formula booklet. Just feel free to ask any questions in comments, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.